falling from the ceiling. How was there? Dee Dee's so scared. Mommy!
Relax, it's fine. It's just like ice balls.
It's over.
No, it isn't.
What is it? Melissa probably? Hail!
Hail the hail.
Hail, the size of minivans.
This is really cool. It's melting already, though.
Mommy, I feel what it's like outside. The colder one.
Yeah, I want to also.
No.
Ah! What? What? Ah! Let me try.
Hang on. Shut the door.
Whoa!
Shut the door.
Now I'm cold.
Well, it's ice. Oh, and it's just lightning. Hey, Mommy, now I'm scared to go upstairs on the computer.
I guess she didn't walk out. She just, stuck her head out.
Okay, I'm gonna go charge the battery. Do you think I should shut it off? Yeah, it's not hailing anymore.